The newest member of Samsung's Galaxy A family is designed for creators looking for an affordable smartphone with an extended battery life. Although it only charges at a 7.75 W rate, the Galaxy A02 is equipped with a large 5000 mAh battery and a 6.5 inches display for viewing content or when gaming. Available in black and blue color variants, the Galaxy A02 retails for $4,990. It sports an all-plastic chassis and panel, and uses a dual SIM tray with a dedicated microSD-XC slot for memory expansion. It supports up to HD quality content on its PLESID screen with around 270 pixels per inch density and producing approximately 81.9% screen-to-body ratio. The device runs on Samsung's own One UI version 2.0 built on top of Android 10, and is equipped with a 28nm quad-core MediaTek MT6739W chip paired with a PowerVR GE8100 GPU. This built-in SoC is built for budget 4G smartphones and provides better low-light autofocus capabilities and a new anti-noise filter.